Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Data science is a rapidly growing field that leverages the power of data to extract insights, make predictions, and drive informed decision-making. Python has become the go-to language for data scientists due to its simplicity, versatility, and a rich ecosystem of libraries. In this tutorial, we'll explore some of the most popular Python libraries for data science and provide code examples to demonstrate their usage. NumPy is the fundamental package for scientific computing with Python. It provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. Pandas is a powerful data manipulation library built on top of NumPy. It provides data structures like series and dataframe, making it easy to work with structured data. Matplotlib is a 2D plotting library that produces high-quality figures. It can be used for creating various types of plots, including line plots, scatter plots, histograms, and more. Seaborn is built on top of Matplotlib and provides a high-level interface for creating statistical graphics. It comes with several built-in themes and color palettes to make your visualizations more attractive. Scikit-learn is a machine learning library that provides simple and efficient tools for data mining and data analysis. It includes various algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, and more. These are just a few of the many Python libraries available for data science. As you explore and gain more experience, you'll find additional libraries that suit your specific needs and preferences. Happy coding! ChatGPT